Hello again, y'all. I realized that it has been a while since I shot a video. So if you've been following on either Instagram or Facebook or whatever, you would have seen I decided to cut the hood out. Did away with the extension pipe that I was going to run. Picked the motor back up a couple. Well, it's like around an inch or something like that. Oil system I had most of the way done before. Did just polish everything. But the good news is it is completely leak free. I got my plate built. Let me get some lighting here. And the AN fitting, my oil pressure gauge sending unit, flex hoses to clear each other. There's enough space for them to not bind up and rub or anything. The exhaust, it is done. I have it actually set up so I can swap a muffler in for the section right here. This right here we use to hold it together. That's just to hold that. I have a strap for the muffler. Kind of so if I do late night tuning or whatever, I don't wake up the neighbors. And but it's pretty much just straight shot right down from each and out the side with enough clearance for the transfer case and drive shaft. Wideband is mounted and secured. That's an AEM Yugo. And back up top, actually huge shout out to Tom and Nate for lending me the crimpers for the GM sensor wires so I don't have to rig it. Ran my map sensor routed to up here and vacuum to source both my what will eventually be boost, but for right now it's just vacuum, and to my fuel pressure regulator. Got the sweet side exit exhaust and also some new stickers for the fun of it because it's a race car. Also ran the TPS wire that was formerly over here on that side. Lengthened the wires, spliced them back together, secured them over here. Everything runs fine. Checked with the AEM software, getting a good signal. Intake air temp. I tapped it into what used to be, I believe, like a brake booster vacuum source, and built throttle cable bracket, custom throttle cable, and she works just fine. So we're good there, and a couple other things to button up. I still have to work on the engine mount over here, and I'm going to get to that wiring hopefully today for at least crimp the ends and start running back to the ECU.